What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the videos. Today we have a pretty quick one. We're going to be doing a serpentine belt. There's the part number on a 2007 Chevy Malibu. This has the EcoBoost, or not the EcoBoost, the Ecotech 2.2 liter 4-cylinder in it. This one's going to be pretty straightforward, but I'm just going to bring you guys along to show you what I'm doing to get this thing out. So this belt, I'm just going to move this air hose to the side. This belt's completely shredded, as you guys can see, so I'm going to cut this thing off, get all this old belt crap out of here, then I will show you guys the next steps. We're probably going to take out this air box, so you want to disconnect your mass airflow sensor, and I think there's a couple 10 mils, and this thing should slide right out. All right, there's just two 10 mils holding that air box in. Now we're going to cut this old belt off. There's a 10 millimeter right here holding one of the AC lines on, and a 10 millimeter right here holding the other AC line on. Then you can take this AC line here, unclip it from this plastic clip here in the back, and just move it up out of your way. This one's already pretty much out of the way, so you don't have to worry too much about that one. So let's get this old belt clipped off, and then we'll move on to the next step. Well, with the lighting, it's going to be really hard to show, but I will put a belt diagram up on the screen right now so you guys can see how it's routed. This one's really easy. There's only 3 pulleys: alternator, AC, and the harmonic balancer. So I've got the harmonic balancer and AC routed right now, and then I've got it routed underneath the tensioner. So I'm going to get a 3/8 inch drive wrench on the tensioner, pull the tensioner back and pull it over the alternator. So should be pretty straightforward. Like I said, I'll put a belt diagram so you guys can see exactly how to route it. But let's get this on and we'll finish her up. So just to show you guys, the ratchet actually goes back here kind of toward the middle of the tensioner. Normally you would think it would go right there in the end of it, but it actually goes kind of toward the middle, and then you have to reverse it, so pull it to the left to get that tensioner up. And then I got the belt all around. It's good to go. Just got to figure out how to get my ratchet out of there, and then we are good. And that's that. Serpentine belt's installed. Really easy because it only has 3 pulleys. Hopefully this video helped you guys. I couldn't find a ton of information on it online. It was even hard to find a belt diagram because it's not on the hood of the car where it normally is, over here or on here. So hopefully this video helped you guys. If it did, leave a like, share it with your friends, leave a comment, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.